Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Who I respect Mr. Dr. Andika Harding SIPM Home as a lecturer phonetics and phonology. Okay, in this video uh, I will explain about the distinctive features of English consonant sound in order to understand what this distinctive feature is. It's essential that we know its definition. One of definition is distinctive feature is available on online dictionary, in which distinctive feature is defined as someone unique or different that sets someone or something apart from the rest. In English, some different consonant sounds are produced in the same place and manner of articulation. For example, sound P and B to help the learners in distinguishing both sounds. Distinctive feature is then used that is to identify the sound's distinction by knowing whether the vocal cords vibrate when the consonant sounds are made voiced, or whether the vocal cords do not vibrate when the consonant sounds are uttered, voiceless. For example, in distinguishing sound P and B, the learners produce sound P while placing their finger over their voice box. They should not feel the vibration. Therefore, sound P is known as the voiceless sound in terms go it, distinctive feature sound to sound B. Distinctive feature to sound B, whereas in this case of sound B, the learners feel the vibration. Therefore, sound B is then called is a voice tone. In a nutshell, sound P is a voiceless bilabial stop and sound B is voice bilabial stop. The next consonant and letter. Consonant and letter usually represents one consonant sound, but some consonant letters, for example, C, G, S may represent two different consonant sounds. The following table give information about English consonant letters and the representation of their consonant sounds, which is able to help the learners pronunciation English words correctly. Letters sounds used in English words: be, baby, buy, bring, blind, about, number, lover, and C, center, cellar, cinema, notice, and K is cake, cling, cry, egg, panic, and D, day, admire, hidden, lady, indeed. And for example, for V is fast, female, forest, fly, fight, and calf. G, gain, gape, ego, begin, dog, egg. General, Gian, Asian, suggest, mirage, beige. And next, age, hair, help, Hanis and hair. Jane, joke, and Jan. Kate, sky, blanket, and look. Please, all nicely. M, make mother my team. And napkin, never no funny tune sun. P, public, repair, apple, keep, top, and crisps. Q, quality, question, quote. Key, technique, and R is rain. S, system. Z, house. T, tell, time. V, fuzz, move, active. And Y is wall, twist. And X, exercise, relax. And the next, exam, exact. Z, synonym. Y, year. Z, puzzle, and pizza. Okay, the next is consonant sound in s or as ending of noun and verbs as for many Indonesian learners of English. Producing consonant sound in s or es ending of nouns or pluralization and verbs, the first singular subject in simple present, is somewhat problematic since they tend to produce sound. For all is s or es ending both in nouns and verbs, while native speakers of English produce three types of consonant sound in s or es ending of nouns and verbs. For example, s, z, and sound is. Consonant sound S for voiceless consonant sounds. Consonant sounds words pronunciation P, for example types, tapes, V, F, for example sieves, T, for example streets, and K, for example parks, and D, for example meets. Consonant sound Z for voice consonant sound words pronunciation. B, for example ribs. D, for example reeds. G, for example ditch. And V, for example leaves. And T, for example clothes. And C, I, A and E, L, for example falls. And M, for example swims. N, for example zines. And N, for example zines. R, for example cars. And U, for example boys. Okay, and the next consonant sound is for fishing. Consonant sound, consonant words pronunciation. S, prizes. Z, prizes. He, for example flashes. CH, for example causes. X, for example boxes. G, for example judges. Okay, and the next material is consonant sound in ed ending of verbs. In addition, the problem in producing consonant sound is in S or es ending. The Indonesian learners of English also it find difficult to produce consonant sound in ed ending of verbs. They generally tend to produce sound ed as in the word stopped. Consonant sound T for verbs ending in voiceless sound basic words ending in ed pronunciation. Please stop, stop. Key, talk. And for example, the next for example is log, reach, wash. Consonant sound D for verbs ending in voice sounds basic words ending in ed pronunciation. B, for example rob. G, for example beach. For example breathe, love, rise, bridge, climb, bend, bank, clean, and rule. Okay, the next material is consonant sound ed, id, or verbs ending in voice sound basic words ending in ed pronunciation. T for example is visit, want, need. This method is also called a blended sound consonant clusters. That is groups of 2 or 3 consonants in words that mix in different consonant sound. For example, in the word school, in the word we can see consonant letters combination that is S, C, and H. The letters combination is then pronounced as S and K. In the pronunciation of word in which the word school is pronounced is school in English, knowing how to produce consonant blends will be very helpful in improving the learner's pronunciation skill in English, since the ability of producing blended consonant sound correctly will be able to make the learner's pronunciation sound more natural. Letter sound words example pronunciation: see, accept, access, and check. Kitchen, catch, match, and character. Mechanic, sick, machine, black, pack, kick, safe, bridge, knowledge. NG, ghost, ghostly, ghetto. F, cock, enough, loud. Neighbor, doctor. NG, guard, guide, guess. Language, linguistics. King, long, wrong, tongue. Finger, angry, longer, single. For example, for PH, pun, praise, biography. Question, quite, required. And the next is a scissor, scan, science. For SK, scan, scandal, scare, score. For SCH, school, scam, scheme, schedule, share, sue, fish, punish. TH, tank, breed, and dog, and father.